We don't like to use the word remounting because we don't just remount the previous show. We find ways on how to make it better. So this year, for example, it's much more darker, much more spookier.
Macbeth is already one of his shortest plays, but we have been able to ram in all of the most important themes, all of the most important emotions, and everything that is exciting about this play and relevant about this play, even to the current audiences.
How I think this one differentiates from the other renditions of Macbeth we've done is that we've taken more of a sinister side.
We've got all of these beautiful costumes, fantastic stagecraft. It's a true experience to come and see.
We've completely redesigned the sound, new choreography, new set pieces, and new ways to engage with young audiences.
Most of the audiences we're performing to are kids who are studying for their GCSEs and are studying this specific text and putting it in a context where it feels more familiar to them.
It touches on those very serious themes, but the best thing is that we make it exciting. It really hooks the audience into the world of the play, and it just gets people excited, and it gets people excited about what theatre can be, which is live, in your face, which we bring to schools, as opposed to you having to go out and find it.
To do these big chunky texts that are on reading lists for both English and drama, really bringing to life these big characters and these big themes, and we just get so much out of it.
Yeah, the fights, the mayhem, the chaos that's going to ensue is really exciting, both for me as a performer and hopefully for the audience.
Just such a bespoke and exciting opportunity, and we just can't wait for next time.